Hello my dear student, I welcome you all to the maths class. So in today's session we are going to start a new chapter, that is simple equation from math NCERT. Alright, so this belongs to chapter number 4 from your book. So the name is very much familiar to you all, the simple equation. Simple, you all know the meaning, it's very simple, not very complex one, can be considered as a simple one. But you also know what is equation. Since when you are in class 6, you have done this topic called equation, you have touched the topic called equation. So let us discuss this equation in a more detailed manner in this class, and you will be touching the equation chapter in more detail and a clear manner. Okay, so the question is, what is an equation? First of all, before starting an exercise, let us first of all brush up the knowledge of equation which you have gained in class 6, right? Okay, an equation is a mathematical expression that contains an equal symbol. So wherever you find this symbol equal to sign, then that expression is considered as an equation. All right, so here is an example I have given. This is an example: y plus 5 is equal to 10. Suppose x plus 5 is equal to 6. 7 plus y is equal to 13 or minus 13. So this type of expression where you will find the equal to sign or equal symbol will be referred to as an equation. Very easy. Now the question comes, sir, then what is this called? Only if you don't have equal to sign, then if you have only x plus 5 sign, then what will be this symbol? What will be this? Will we consider this as an equation? No, we will not consider, because here it is no equal to sign, no equal sign. It will be considered as expression. This will be considered as an expression. All right, which we will be discussing in our class 7 only. The topic is there called algebraic expression. All right, but here we are going to deal with the equation. Equal to sign, wherever equal to symbol, wherever you see those type of expression will be considered as an equation. Okay, now an equation has to contain an equal. We have already discussed about this, that equal to sign must be there whenever an equation is getting formed. There will be a mathematical expression on either side of the equation. So you can think of equation as having left hand side and the right hand side. Yes, absolutely. So this is one of the best fundamental thing which you have to know, that whenever I am writing an example, x plus 5 is equal to 6, then you can see this side is the right hand side, sorry, this is the left hand side, and the number which is above or above the equal to sign, that will be considered as RHS or right hand side. So in equation you will be having left hand side and the right hand side. That is only we are going to find in equation. But in expression we are only having left hand side, no right hand side, because there is no equal to symbol. So it's an equation. All right, it's an overall view of the equation. So you can see in this example also, equation means to equalize. That means the left hand side and the right hand side are equal or equity. They are forming an equal, right? So this is the left hand side, this 4 here is the left hand side, and 4 is the right hand side. Okay, so this is actually representing a simple equation. This is nothing but a simple equation. All right, so now taking the help of this, now we are going to find the value of y, which is unknown to us. Y can be anything. What is this y considered? The term is there called variable. This variable, coefficient, constant, I am going to discuss this thing in your algebraic expression chapter later on. But for now you just remember this, the variable which I am writing here, that is y, x, the alphabetical algebraic in algebraic expression, y is nothing but an variable which can be changed, which can changed. Yes, y can be anything in order to have a 5, right? So y can be 5, y can be any other number which will be considered, which will be making up 10. Okay, so this is the overall gist, this is the overall brush up of an idea of an equation. All right, so I hope you people have understood. Now taking the help of this, we are going to solve exercise 4.1, which is in page number 81 of your chapter number 4. The first question we have is, complete the last column of the table. So you have to say whether the equation is satisfied, yes or no. So here the equation is given, x plus 3 is equal to 0. Here the value of x is also given, that is 3. Let us put the value of 3 let me write here, putting the value of x here, putting the value of x in x plus 3, or you may write simply equation 1, isn't it? Why to write all the equation? It will be hectic. In your higher class you are going to deal in such manner only. You are not going to write whole equation, isn't it? So in equation 1 you will get x value is 3, so plus 3 is equal to 0. So are they forming equal? So 3 plus 3 is 6 and is equal to 0. Are they equal? In right hand side and left hand side, are they equal? Are you getting 6 in both the side, or are you getting 0 in both the side? No. So here the equation is not satisfied. So simply you will be writing no equation is not satisfied, right? So that means what is actually this is trying to indicate that it is trying to indicate that x value whatever is given to us is not valid for this equation. That means to have a 0 you need to have what? -3, not 3. Yes, if I put the value -3 here, then plus 3 will be equal to 0. So that is the condition actually. Alright, so I hope you have understood this. Using the concept of this, now we are going to solve the next question, that is number 2, x plus 3 is equal to 0 is the same equation here. X value is 0 here. Simply the x value is 0. So let us write, putting, you may write this equation as 2 because we are solving equation number 2 question. So putting the value of x is equal to 0 in equation 2, right? In equation 2 we are putting, so let's put that value, whatever is given, 0 plus 3 is equal to 0. So in place of this x I am putting 0 here. Don't get confused, okay? Very easy thing. So 0 plus 3 is 3. Again you can see in the left hand side they are not getting matched, right? In this case also it was not getting matched, so hence we will write no equation is not satisfied. No equation is not satisfied. Simple thing, very easy, isn't it? So similarly we will be doing question number 3 using the same logic. Here now you have to check it out whether we are going to get the same thing or whether the equation will be satisfied or not. Number 3 is x plus 3 is equal to 0 and our x value given is -3. Absolutely. Now putting the value of x is equal to -3 in this is let us indicate this equation as equation 3. In equation 3 we get, so x value is -3 plus, now in your class 6 you already have dealt with the concept of plus and minus, right? So -3 plus 3 is equal to 0 and minus plus is minus, so 3 minus 3 is 0. So in this case, yes, the equation is getting satisfied, yes, because in both the side it is equal, that is left hand side and right hand side are equal. So you will write here, yes, equation is satisfied here with the help of value x minus x is equal to -3. Simple thing. Alright, let's do the last one for today. X minus 7 is equal to 1. Number 4 we are doing. What is the question? The equation we have given here is x minus 7 is equal to 1 and x value is 7. X minus 7 is equal to 1 and x value is 7. Yes, put the value. So let this equation be 4. So putting the value of x in equation 4, what we will get? Just check it out. 7 minus 7 is equal to 1 is the equation. Just what I did, I have put the value of x in equation 4. So 7 minus 7 is 0. So in this case it is not getting matched because left hand side and right hand sides are not equal, right? So here also the condition is similar. No, the equation is not satisfied, isn't it? Very simple thing. Alright, so I hope you people have understood this. Okay, so we have done till question number 4. Now question number 5, 6, 7, I want you all to do it yourself. This will be a home assignment, and the rest one we will be doing in the next class. Okay, so this much for today. In our next class we will proceed with the next sum. Till then, stay safe and healthy. Thank you everyone.